Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn spread with no vocabulary ideas around a daily thing with the objects of the house. Expresemos con vocabulario conocido ideas sobre un tema diario con los objetos de la casa. Performance indicator. Spread with no vocabulary ideas around a daily thing with the objects of the house through audiovisual material. En el indicador de desempeño vamos a expresar con vocabulario conocido ideas sobre un tema diario con los objetos de la casa a través del material audiovisual. Listen and repeat. Escucha y repite. My room. Mi habitación. Caja de juguetes. Toy box. Repeat after me. Caja de juguetes. Okay. Lámpara, lamp. Repeat after me. Lámpara. Very good. Puerta, door. Repeat after me. Puerta. Good. Ventana, window. Repeat after me. Ventana. Good job. Librero, bookcase. Repeat after me. Librero. Excellent. Tapete, mat. Repeat after me. Tapete. Okay, excellent, my student. Now, remember parts my room. Recordamos las partes de mi habitación. Lamp, mat, door, window, bookcase, and toy box. Excellent, my student. Thank you, my student. See you the next class. Peace and good. God bless you. Bye-bye.